In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Surveymonkey 2026, step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Surveymonkey homepage. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you land on the main dashboard. This is the control center for all your projects. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, look for the Create Survey button. Go ahead and click it to begin. You'll see a few ways to get started. For this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch. Templates are great when you need inspiration, but starting from scratch gives you full control over wording and structure. Give your survey a clear, descriptive title. A good title helps participants immediately understand the topic, and it also makes your project easy to find later in your account. You'll now be in the survey builder with your first blank question ready to edit. Click into the question field and type what you want to ask. Keep the wording simple and specific so respondents never have to guess what you mean. Next, choose the question type that matches how you want people to answer. Multiple choice works well for predefined options, open-ended captures written feedback, and rating or Likert scales measure satisfaction or agreement. Pick the format that best fits your data needs. If you selected a choice-based question, enter the answer options in the available fields. Fill each blank with a single, clear option. Keep options mutually exclusive and avoid overlap. For example, if you use ranges, make sure they don't double count the same number. Most choice questions require at least 2 options, so add a second one before moving on. As you build, use the on-screen fields to complete any remaining blanks, like optional descriptions or hints beneath the question. These short explanations can reduce confusion and improve response quality. When you're ready to expand your survey, click Next Question to add another item and repeat the process. Type the question, select the type, and add the appropriate choices or text field. It's a good habit to keep questions focused and short, and to group similar topics together. At any time, click Save to store your progress. Saving frequently ensures you won't lose changes if you step away. And that's the core workflow. Open your dashboard, create a new survey, start from scratch, title it, add your question, choose a type, fill in the choices, make sure you have at least 2 options when needed, add more questions as desired, and save. You're now ready to build a polished professional survey in Surveymonkey.